Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Mexican themed junk journal supplies haul. This mini kitchen towel set barely but thankfully made it to my video. I went to downtown Disney this weekend and could not resist getting this embroidered mini. So cute. The next items are from a Happy Meal that I received from Ileana. She is one of the first friends I made in this junk journal community. Ileana, thank you so much for your kindness and your generosity. All these Mexican trinkets brought me so much nostalgia and memories of my childhood with both my parents. If anyone grew up in the Hispanic community, you're gonna see what I mean in the next set of gorgeous things on the screen. Ileana has a vintage spot in Bridges and Company Vintage Market in McAllen, Texas. So if anyone in that area would love to show her some support, let her know Tu Casa de Papel sent you. I'm gonna leave you all with some music to enjoy the colors and the handmade crafts that enrich our beautiful Mexico. And again, thank you so much, Ileana. Everything is so cute. I'm just blown away by you taking your time to put together all of these items for me. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. My last Happy Meal came all the way from Hawaii from my sweet friend Gracie. Gracie, thank you so much for going out of your way to send me these items. Super happy to have received these beautiful art pieces. I believe Gracie painted this beautiful lady here. Gosh, I love her. Thank you, Gracie, for the sweet note and for gifting me the most adorable mini Mexican junk journal ever. I was so amazed by all the details throughout this colorful journal, using so many of my printables. Like, I just couldn't even believe all the tiniest little details that these printables inspired you to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys to enjoy her work of art. Thank you again, Gracie. Lastly, I purchased a large ephemera pack from another great friend I made in this community, Nikki from the Vintage Finca on Etsy. Nikki lives in Spain and curated this ephemera kit for me. It has authentic advertisements, ledgers, book pages, and more vintage goodies, all in Spanish. To keep this video short, I'm only sharing a couple of my favorites, but I can't wait to turn these into some colorful digitals for you all to enjoy. Thank you so much, Nikki, for all the care and attention that went into creating this kit for me. It is so gorgeous, as always. My last purchases are 4 Mexican magazines from the 1940s, you guys. I don't think I've had anything this vintage that's 100% Mexican ever. These magazines are still in amazing condition. They have been aging beautifully, and they have some of the most beautiful lifestyle and home essential advertisements I've ever seen. Just today I was talking to a friend over at the Casa AZUL Junk Journal Facebook group, and we were talking about how we were so excited to score such unique and beautiful vintage ephemera, and our imagination quickly runs wild on how to use these in our creations, but then we don't have the courage to tear them apart because they're just so beautiful. We end up hoarding our ephemera just like everything else in our craft room. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed my haul, and thanks again to the amazing ladies who sent me such special gifts. I can't wait to use everything in the upcoming months. I have lots of new creations that will be hitting my Etsy shop soon. Thank you guys for watching. I'll leave my Etsy shop and my social media links below. Don't forget, all my printables are buy 3 get 1 free and my Etsy. And check out the Hispanic inspired Facebook group, Casa AZUL Junk Journal group, also linked below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Talk to you in the next video. Bye.